Let's check out 2 cute center table decor ideas for festive season or for some special party gathering. Let's get started.
Hey gardening lovers, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
In the first style, I'm taking a wooden round tray, now keeping a areca palm leaf on it, followed by a glass bowl. And now I'll keep this LED lamp inside with some small pine cones. And then goes another lamp and 2 false Christmas trees and few more pine cones and miniature deer. And it's ready, simple yet elegant. For the second setup, I'm keeping the leaf under the tray. Then goes a shallow glass bowl on it. And inside the bowl goes the Christmas tree along with pine cones. Next to the bowl goes the LED lamp and a stack of books on the other side. And then goes the money plant on top of it. Then 2 more lamps next to the tray, and you can keep your kids' animal toy as well on it. Your cute setup is ready in just 5 minutes. Stay tuned for part 2 video in which I will show you how to use your kids' toys to style center table. See you!